The kids that are struggling are, for whatever reason, whether it's disengaged, bullying, it doesn't matter, but the kids that are struggling are just seeking connection, working at their level, seeing what they wanted to do, seeing what they wanted to achieve. And those little interactions turned into big relationships, and working with the kids to establish a connection and a relationship does all sorts of wonders. Probably my first week of placement, I realised that teachers work far too hard, more than I am comfortable with. I really enjoyed that one-on-one support that I was providing towards the students. Not just academically, but the social and emotional and capacity building that these kids wanted and needed really set my direction for my future career path. You get to build connection with these students on a level that can really achieve outcomes. There's no rigid way of doing things. It's different with every individual, and it's different with every scenario and all environments. So when there's a specific student that really needs that support, there's probably no bigger of a rewarding feeling than seeing the outcomes for that student, however big or small, that is needed. Super rewarding, extremely taxing, but I wouldn't have it any other way. My name is Bradley Lawler, and I did the Cert 3 in school-based education support.